In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Build Bar discount promo code in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Build Bar discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have at least three different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, let's say if you want to get this one with a 10% discount of everything at the build site-wide, all you need to do is select your coupon code from right here. And this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here, and you can use this one on your next order in order to get this 10% discount. Also, we have this website, which is called retailminot.com, that also provide some good promo codes. For example, if you want to get 10% discount of your next order, you can simply select show code from right here and you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get the 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.